Hey, let's go. Freedom. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thang. Ooh, look at her. Get into it. Get into it. She's giving legs and hips and body. Yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. All right, if you like what you see so far and you want to know who's that girl, stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video you can get notified. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so let's get into Miss Thing's details. Her name is Zelena. She's from Sensationnal What Lace Collection. She's a LD Woo Woo number 2. Not too sure what that means, but I got her in a flamboyant Auburn. The stock card reads, she's 13 by 6, ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the hairline, pre-customized unit, and she's a protected style, no leave out necessary. Translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting out the box. Definitely big head friendly. She comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, elastic band, as well as the adjustable straps that come with her. Her mesh is breathable, of course. She's really nice and thick. She's not thin at all. I'll show you what the back looks like. And the front looks like just everything, like, and she's also heat safe up to 400 and something degrees. Okay, so here is what Miss Zelena looks like. Now this color is beautiful too. I should have got her in this color. Really nice. The inside of the stock card just shows you what her cap construction is and all her details. And in the back are all the pretty colors that she comes in. So that's pretty much what the card stock says. Now, when I was getting her together, her lace is a little bit on the blunt side, which it means ashy. Sorry, I mean blunt means white. I meant to say ashy. Sorry. Anyway, so I used this tinting spray to spray in the inside, and then I covered it up with some makeup. I pulled out some baby hairs with her. I didn't necessarily put her all the way down, only because, ooh, you see that? What lace for real? Only because it's already late at night, and y'all know I'm about to go to bed, so I don't really glue down. But if you take the necessary steps to really melt this lace, girl, you'll have a beautiful unit in your hands, okay? No one would even think this is not your hair. Understand what I'm saying to you, okay? Okay. Is she worth it? Yes, she definitely is. She's gorgeous. She's elegant. She is just... if beauty was her name. I mean, come on. Like, she is everything. The color is beautiful. The texture is nice. She's nice and smooth. She has a little shine to her. I will give that. If you don't like that, you can always put dry shampoo. I will leave her just the way she is. She is giving me, I'm getting ready to go to a wedding. That's exactly where I will wear her to. She is wedding ready. Okay, like if you know your ex is going to be there and you want to show up and show the hell out, you're getting a text later. You're getting a text later. How you doing? How you been? I messed up. I'm sorry. So sorry. With this hair on your head. Believe that, okay? Because she is a fire. She's beautiful. I can't... her curls are popping. Everything about Zelena is just... she was well put together. Sensational. Round of applause. 2 times. 2 times. Because baby, she's giving me all life. Would I her again? Yes, I would. Would I spend my coins? Would I get this color? Would I invest money to show up and show out? Every single time. Sensational. And you know, I've been on my outre move. I'm not gonna lie. Outre, you know, it is what it is. But Sensational, you killed it with this one. You killed it. But you can't go wrong with Miss Zelena. She's beautiful. She is that girl. Who's that girl? Zelena. I don't know why I keep forgetting her name, but Zelena. She that girl. Miss Woo Woo number 2. Let me know in the comments below what you think of her. Did I put her together well enough for you to go ahead and buy her? Because I think I'm going to have to cop her again. Now, you already know my motto. You like one, buy 2. And I've had her sitting in my closet for a while. But baby, ooh. And maybe in this color here. Now, y'all know I like my 1B, but this color here, might just have to do it. I don't know. I'll let y'all know. But let me know in the comments below what you think of this thing. And would you actually get her? And where would you wear her to? I'm really getting wedding vibes with this. With a nice, elegant dress. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.